Hey everyone, this is Mark, and in this video we're going to be checking out a pretty nice Bluetooth receiver from SZMDLX. This is a really compact device. It does three main things. One, it will make any pair of wired headphones and permanently attached cabled headphones wireless. Two, it will plug right into a pair of headphones whose cable can be removed. And third, it can be also plugged into any device using the included audio cable. For me, this is a really amazing solution to make your headphones wireless and add Bluetooth audio to your car. In the box, we get a ton of things. First, we have the device itself. We also get a micro USB charging cable, audio cable, carrying case, leather cable tie, and a metal audio adapter. The metal adapter is a really nice thing that will allow you to plug it into a port and not have to worry about the device hanging around with a loose cable. I have an old pair of Beats Solos which are not wireless. With this device, all you need to do is use the metal adapter and plug it right into the port on the headphones. From there, we just have to turn on the device, connect to our phone via Bluetooth, and that's it. We can play music and videos from our device just like how we normally do, and the audio will go right through to the headphones. On the device itself, we have volume up and down buttons which also act as next and previous track toggles. We can also pause and play with the power button in the middle. On the back of the device, we also have a belt clip, so if you're using this with wired headphones, you can have somewhere to attach it to you. One neat feature with this is that it does include a built-in microphone. That means you can take calls from any type of speaker, no matter whether it has a microphone in it or not. Audio quality is actually really great. The thing that surprised me the most was the fact that when the music was paused, I couldn't hear any amount of hiss coming from the headphones. That's something that I found on almost every pair of Bluetooth headphones and not something that is present in this case. Connection strength is also pretty good. I was able to walk around the downstairs of my house without any audio issues or cutting out. Finally, this little thing has a ton of volume. I don't like volume that's too loud, and even on the lowest setting, it was a little too loud for me. So if you like lots of volume, this definitely has it. The volume buttons on the device actually control the volume on your phone. There's no adjustment that can be made on the device itself. So if you turn the volume down on the device, it'll actually turn it down on your phone. Likewise, you can do the same thing with the volume buttons on your phone if you don't want to use the receiver's buttons. My only complaint is the way the volume buttons work on the device. I would have preferred a single press to change the volume and a press and hold to go to the next track. Instead, you need to press and hold to make the music louder or quieter. The good news is that these buttons do work well, as does the pause and play button. They're also super clicky and raised a good amount, so it's not too hard to find them if you have them on something like a pair of headphones. Overall, I'm a really big fan of this adapter. You can use it for a ton of different things, and it works really well. I do recommend these, and if you're interested in picking them up, I'll leave a link to it down in the description below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with I Will Tech One Toy, and I'll see you in the next one.